Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency call on a locked iPhone screen. Now, if you do not have access to unlock the iPhone, I'm going to show you two ways that you can make an emergency call on the iPhone. The first will be with the touch screen, and then the second will just be with the buttons on the sides. So let's go ahead and pretend as if I have no access to this phone. It's locked and we can't get access. So when we swipe up, we notice that the pin option can come up here, but right below that is a link there, or a image for emergency. And once you tap on that, you're going to see that this pops up here. It's going to come up in different languages for emergency call. You're simply just going to go ahead and tap the dial button, and then it'll make that emergency call. But if the screen is not working and you want to access or make an emergency call without the screen, I will show you how to do that next. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and hold on the up volume and the power button together. And once you hold that and continue to hold it, you're going to see a time limit dropping down to make the emergency call. And eventually, once that goes to the full bar, it's going to go ahead and make that emergency call. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. And if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Take care.